Hello everyone, my name is Yusuf and I welcome you to the translational potential pitch of DeTectUs, in which I will explain in a few minutes how we envision getting our product to the market. First, in a few words, I would like to introduce our business concepts. We believe that the main target of our product would be the children with epilepsy who also experience adverse effects of their medication. While these children are the target users of our products, the customers would be their parents, as these children do not have any buying power. The marketing of our solution would focus on communicating how the product can help to reduce or eliminate the adverse effect of the drugs and how it reduces the uncertainty and the experimental nature of the medication treatment. Furthermore, the solution would promise less hassle with going to the hospital, as it would be able to communicate with an external software, which allows the practitioner to adjust the patient's doses remotely. We see three major problems that need to be solved in order to achieve market success with our biosensor. The first key problem to overcome is the huge upfront investment required. The development of complex technologies is very resource intensive because of all the materials, production equipment, and testing needed, and achieving the certification as a medical device is also very costly due to the regulatory process that must be followed. Most of these costs are fixed and cannot be transformed into variable costs, and fixed costs are usually not beneficial for startups and new ventures, as they do not allow the business to start on a small scale and only scale up once the investments start to return. To solve this problem, we would aim to build a prototype first, and by demonstrating the capabilities of this prototype, we would try to get acquired by a major medical company as a new R&D department. Besides getting access to monetary resources, this would also help our venture with the necessary know-how and the support of a creditable company. The second key problem to overcome is the fact that the target market is rather small if we only focus on people with epilepsy. Based on our estimation, if we sell our product for a price that is perceived to be reasonable for the target customer, for example 200 euros, it could take up to 25 years to return the investment, which is of course out of question, as most of the investors would not invest in such a long-term project with high risks. To solve this problem, we would aim to make our product eligible for support from the different healthcare systems of different European countries. This way, we would be able to increase the sales price of our product, while the end users would not have to pay more for the solution. The third key problem is that all the epilepsy patients we have talked to have tried at least 2 anti-epileptic drugs throughout their treatment, and further research confirmed that this is a very common thing. This means that only measuring VPA in the blood will not satisfy most of the target customers, and there is a need for measuring multiple types of anti-epileptic drugs in case of each user. A potential solution is using disposable or interchangeable cartridges, where each of them are functionalized to bind different types of anti-epileptic drug molecules. This, however, is very theoretical and must be researched further. So once again, the three key problems are that complex technologies and medical devices require a huge upfront investment, that the target market is rather small if we only expect revenues from the end users, and the fact that measuring only VPA might not provide a satisfactory value proposition. We believe that overcoming these main issues provides a safer and less risky pathway to the commercialization of our product and therefore increases its translational potential. With these final thoughts, I would like to thank you for your attention.